Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable location services on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to settings list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on privacy and security here, just click on it. You click here on location services, you just click on it. You come here to location services, click in this sign or this color. Like then you click here on turn off. Like you see color is gone, that's main location services disabled with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.